We are back for more culinary adventures. I'm continuing my quest to become a culinary artisan, but we have a special guest this week, the one and only Mama Savas.
I'm gonna finally make sure he knows how to cook.
Let's do it. Apron time. All right, so we got the school in full effect. Everyone's working away hard. This guy is in charge. I wouldn't trust him. His name is Mauro. He's the chef here, Montesi Cooking School. Let's get after it. I'm making gnocchi today, my first time ever. It's gonna be a pasta soup. We're ricing the potatoes into the center of the flour. So we just riced the potatoes, made a little hole in the middle for the egg. I think we're mixing the eggs in the volcano of potatoes right now. But Mauro takes things a little bit too far.
No, I didn't do nothing. It was just me. You gotta feel it. You gotta do this voice, this deep voice, you know.
Wow.
No, like, no, he's here.
Wow.
Exactly.
You gotta do like
Exactly.
very well.
We got the gnocchi dough ready to go.
Like, so you gotta.
I have very low hopes for this group. He's given us too much wine. I don't know where it's gonna end.
I super approve.
Except I gotta
It's Mauro approved. We need to do a sticker. It's Mauro approved.
Is that good?
Perfect. And it's like this, just buy pasta. When you want to make slime,
You eat your own pasta.
You call me the slime master.
Marghe.
Just finished making the dough. Time to go in the fridge.
Look at her taking notes like she's in school. He's sending us the menu after the class ends.
Exactly. For me, this is the right point.
We got Team Minneapolis over here in charge of the sauce. If anyone may compete for worst chef of the day, it's me versus this guy. Yet he is showing me how it's done.
See, but gravy is brown.
I have no words.
Let me educate you guys how to properly break an egg. Here, this is an egg. So you
Take control of this class.
Attempt number 2, how to properly crack an egg and separate the yolks
No,
from the white.
the white.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, nope. Attempt number 3.
I don't know, I want to go home.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that.
That's the
Beautiful. That's how you crack an egg. So my mom had to fly all the way to Italy to teach me how to cook.
Because he never listened at home.
She never taught me.
Yes, I taught you. You never listened.
Mauro's my new mother. Time to make some tiramisu. Me versus Kathy. Let's go.
A little piece.
Drop it in. Mom, we gotta be faster. I'm a pro.
Oh,
over
this
here.
is a race?
I mean, now it is. Boom, boom. An extra layer of cream on top. Ah, look at that. Do the crumble on top.
Who's the winner?
Bellissimo.
Yeah?
Don't lie. Don't lie.
It's actually beautiful. It is.
She just said it was terrible. You said it was beautiful.
Chef Mauro. I can tell if it's good or not.
This is what it should look like. This is what it looks like. We got Team Holland over here doing the apricot tart, doing a fantastic job layering on the frozen strips of crust, make it into a little pattern, no problem.
Now, scoop it out the bread. Try to be much gentle as possible. Don't squeeze it. You can make or a ball or a log.
Oh, maybe I'll make a ball.
Whatever you
That'd be
want.
Nice.
Make a phallic shape, Mom.
Stop it, Mikey. Mike, what is wrong with you?
No. Let's make some pasta. Perfetto. You got it.
We're making the gnocchi here. We cut off a block of the dough, roll it into a snake pattern, get some flour in there so you can chop her up properly, nice and long. Yeah, now we take this guy and we simply chop it into even squares. And then we have our gnocchi pattern. A little Savas family trick here. He just told me to use the roller to put the stripes in it, but apparently Grandma used to do it on the fork here.
Sure, like a hollow.
So this is what it comes out like. holds the sauce much better. We are making ravioli. We gotta turn this into this. We got our 2 strips of ravioli here. This is gonna be the base layer. Then we're gonna butter all the sides and in between them so we cut them evenly. Put the top layer on top, press them out, and then we will have beautiful, flavor-filled ravioli. Working with the filling here, this is ricotta, spinach,
And Parmesan.
and Parmesan. Putting it right in the middle of the raviolis. Kathy's adding the egg white batter around the end. That'll give us our stickiness to combine the top layer, and then it'll be perfect. Takes 2 Savases to make a ravioli. So now we're marking out the edge of the ravioli using this ravioli cutter. This will hold in the flavor of the sauce and make it look beautiful. Mom, I made you something. Very special, just for you.
I'm not
Compliments.
Grazie. Thank you.
Grazie.
Buon appetito. Salute.
To Mauro, to Margarita,
Margarita.
international countries coming together for a beautiful Italian meal.
To everybody.
We worked hard on this. Let's eat. Pasta taste test number 1, ravioli.
The gnocchi is my favorite.
Yeah, me too so far.
Heaven. Italian.
And now I know how to.
Gnocchi time. Hand-cut pasta bolognese. Oh, it's my favorite. Oh my God, it's like Easter, Christmas, and Thanksgiving in my mouth. Tiramisu taste test.
Okay.
Right down the middle. We're damn good, chef. Thanks for tuning into this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it for Culinary Cuisine today. We're saying goodbye to the family. Thank you to Montesi. That's it. Month in the making. It's a wrap. See ya.